Welcome to my vlog. I'm Nosh, and I'm so glad you guys are visiting me at Second Chances with Nosh Vlogs. So I bet you're interested to know what's going on with the craft room, right? Well, don't worry, the craft room organization as well as decluttering is coming along slow but steady. I felt short for some storage cupboards, so I'm visiting IKEA or IKEA, not sure how you pronounce that, which is at Burlington. So I persuaded my older two sons to accompany me to IKEA. No, we're not going to walk all the way till there. We're just walking right now because my youngest son, he took the car to his workplace, and we're just going. It's just a 10 minutes walk to his work. So that's where we're going to collect the car, and from there we'll move on. So, what I did not anticipate exactly, we didn't anticipate it's going to rain this bad, and for the next 40 minutes it rained continuously. Which guy?
This idea.
Huh?
This idea. Idea.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Like a proper vlog.
So here we're on the 401 highway, and it's just pouring, but the worst is still to come.
Yeah.
Seriously, guys, for someone who's raised for the largest part of her life in the deserts of the Middle East, rains are always, always, always welcome. In fact, rains are a blessing from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. However, today I really felt Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala was seriously testing my driving skills. What do you see when you see people here?
I see a lot of lawn maintenance, bad Wi-Fi,
Seriously?
yeah, bad convenience.
I am so regretting taking this car out.
It's water.
Yeah, but if something goes wrong, I'm going to be so guilty. Oh, I can't see anything. Just some lights. So the rains just went on and on and on, and maybe just 10 minutes before we actually reached Burlington, the rains kind of, totally vanished. Oh God, the ways Google takes us. Guys, Dubai was home for us for almost 27 years. So I remember when the first mall, I think it was Al Ghurair Mall, and then it was followed by Burjuman. And later on, of course, it was followed by Dera City Center and Mall of the Emirates and, all of them, Marina Mall, Burj Khalifa, Burj Al Arab, and all those. I mean, of course, those latter two are not malls. But I just kind of remember when IKEA opened up first at Dera City Center Mall. I mean, I used to actually love just hanging around there, buying stuff from there, loving the coffee shop over there. And in fact, in almost all my houses, we've always bought IKEA furniture for all my craft studios. My favorite one would have to be Trofast. I mean, I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. Followed by Calyx, Kallax. Hey, look, it stopped raining. And of course, Billy Bookcase. But one of my favorites was this wire rack, which is now discontinued. I don't know why. And we are in Burlington. I think he's right. Sugar, I think he's right. Maybe we should go and eat something before we start shopping.
It's probably on here.
But you know, if you're a crafter, you're going to absolutely love the kind of options you're going to find for storage at IKEA. I mean, fantastic options, honestly. I mean, it just spoils you for the options, to be very honest. Look at this color. I love those. The colors of these bins. Teal. So they have all sorts of bins over here. Oh, they've got these double ones as well with 2 pots in it. They're the smaller ones over here. And then they have the wooden ones over here. These are the DIY ones which you make yourself. Those are for, the small ones are for $3.99. These ones we could never take. I mean, I do have 1 or 2 of them, but my cats would rip them up, so no way we can take these. We just see so many beautiful baskets. Gosh, I love those. Yeah.
Do you have any pictures of the wire?
KLX. Isn't that adorable? I just love that. Now, one of the places that you mustn't miss out is the as in section. Sometimes you can really grab some awesome stuff, and it's basically stuff. So it's basically stuff that was that's reduced in price because they were on display, or maybe they have a couple of scratches here and there. And finally, we've reached the Truffaut section. But I almost had a heart attack. Guess why? Much to my horror, it stated that it was out of stock. My God, I can't tell you. I was like, after all this. But anyway, the boys went. Both my sons, they went looking around for one of the attendants, and she came over. She had a look in the system, and yes, they did locate 2. And of course, we grabbed both of them. Yeah. So we grabbed those 2, and we also got a lamp for Buddy for his room. And we visited the cafeteria, and I just realized after reaching there, number 1, most of the things were over. And number 2, I just realized that they don't have halal stuff. And you know how important that is for us. So coffee it was. Both of us sat over there. So I had gone over to collect it from the other section, and we both sat over there, had some coffee, enjoyed the view. Oh, look at those. They look so pretty, right? Yeah, and that was that. And then we finally got 2 of those. There we have got them. And we're just leaving. And we also bought a lamp. 2 of those. And we are heading back to the car now. Sun's going to be down very shortly. The clouds are out. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, 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 look at that. Yep, let it come. Alrighty, easy peasy. And the boys managed to do this. Assembling time. Both the boys put their heads together, and they did an excellent job. Ta-da! They fixed it. They fixed both of them. It's looking fantastic. And this is the area where we're going to fix those two. We're going to set those two or get them to squeeze in here. We'll be removing those two green ones. Those ones will, yeah, so we already started moving them. And there we go. We've already placed them here. See the ones on the left? Those are the two. And as you can see, I've already started stacking stuff in them. That's how it's looking right now. So friends, thanks very much for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed our little trip or adventurous trip to Ikea. I post every Tuesdays and Fridays, so please subscribe and let's keep in touch.